Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best beach essentials is probably one of the most crucial investments a man can make for a stylish and comfortable summer, ensuring you're prepared for sun-drenched days and cool ocean breezes with gear that balances functionality with a sharp aesthetic, making every beach outing a statement of effortless cool and practical preparedness. Number 5. Real Essentials Men's Dry Fit Workout Tank Top. Introducing the Real Essentials Dry Fit Workout Tank Top. Designed for ultimate comfort, it keeps you cool and dry during any activity. Whether you're hitting the gym or going for a run, this tank top offers the performance you need. Its breathable fabric ensures you stay comfortable. The sleeveless, muscle-fit design allows for a full range of motion. Move freely and confidently with this athletic shirt. We offer a 3 and 5 pack for great value. Plus, big and tall sizes are available to ensure a perfect fit for everyone. Upgrade your workout wardrobe with this essential athletic shirt. It's the perfect addition for any fitness enthusiast. What we like. If you prioritize comfort and breathability during your beach activities, this is the choice for you. Its dry fit material keeps you cool, and the availability of big and tall sizes ensures a great fit for everyone. Choose this if you need versatile, comfortable athletic wear for active beach days. What people say. The fabric is lightweight and dries quickly, perfect for beach days. The adjustable waistband ensures a comfortable and secure fit. Multiple pockets are convenient for carrying essentials like keys and phone. Number 4. RHINO USA Folding Survival Shovel W Pick. Introducing the ultimate companion for your outdoor adventures. This heavy-duty tool is built to withstand the toughest conditions, making it perfect for any situation. We are a proud father-son business dedicated to providing you with top-quality products and the best USA-based customer support. Join the RHINO USA family today. This incredibly versatile tool features a 180-degree shovel, a 90-degree pickaxe, and a 90-degree pick hoe. Tackle any task with just one essential item. When extended, it measures 22 inches long, but it conveniently folds down to just 9 by 6 inches. It's lightweight and comes with a durable carry case for easy transport. Engineered from robust carbon steel with a protective black powder-coated finish, this tool offers superior strength and resistance to corrosion. It's built to last. We stand by our products with a real lifetime replacement guarantee. If you ever have an issue, we'll make it right with a replacement or a full refund, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. For the adventurer who needs a tool for any situation, this is the ultimate companion. Its multi-purpose design as a shovel, pickaxe, and pick hoe makes it incredibly versatile for camping, off-roading, or even just digging out a sandcastle. If you value durability and preparedness, this is the one to get. What people say. Very solid and well built. Locks down and secures in pick and shovel mode. Travel friendly and sturdy. I used it to dig up a time capsule and it was perfect. The carbon steel feels solid and heavy duty. The folding design makes it super compact, and it fits perfectly in the back of my Jeep. The pick feature is awesome for breaking up tough soil or rocky ground. Number 3. COOFANDY Men's Linen Short Sleeve Shirt. Introducing our new linen shirt, perfect for those warm summer days. Its breathable fabric keeps you cool and comfortable. This versatile shirt transitions seamlessly from a casual beach day to a summer wedding. Look sharp and feel relaxed. Crafted from premium linen, this short-sleeve button-down offers exceptional comfort. It's lightweight and allows for maximum airflow. Featuring a timeless button-down front, this shirt offers a clean and polished look. It's a staple for any summer wardrobe. Don't miss out on this essential piece for your summer adventures. It's the perfect blend of style and comfort. What we like. If you're looking for effortless style and comfort for a beach wedding or a relaxed evening out, this shirt is perfect. The breathable linen fabric keeps you cool, and the casual button-down design offers a touch of sophistication. Opt for this if you want to look sharp without sacrificing comfort in warm weather. What people say. The fabric is lightweight and dries quickly, perfect for beach days. It has multiple pockets, which are very convenient for carrying essentials like keys and a phone. The fit is comfortable and true to size, allowing for easy movement. Number 2. Lamicall Waterproof Phone Pouch, 2-pack. Introducing our advanced waterproof phone pouch, designed to keep your devices safe and dry. With an IPX8 rating, it offers superior protection against water, snow, sand, and dust, making it perfect for all your adventures. Our pouch features an upgraded, easy-to-use locking clip for a secure seal. Simply press the switch until it clicks to ensure your belongings stay protected. It also comes with a durable, heavy-duty lanyard for convenient carrying. Crafted from soft PVC, this pouch provides a smooth touchscreen experience. You can easily use your phone's functions, including calls and the camera, even while it's protected. Note that deep water may slightly affect sensitivity, but you can use the volume button to capture photos. Capture every moment with our highly transparent case, offering 99% light transmittance. It ensures your screen is clearly displayed and your camera functions perfectly, allowing you to take stunning photos and videos, even underwater. This versatile pouch fits most smartphones up to 7 inches, including a wide range of iPhone and Samsung Galaxy models. It's also perfect for storing cards, cash, or passports, making it an essential travel companion. Whether you're at the beach, pool, or enjoying water sports, this pouch is your ideal companion. It's designed for swimming, rafting, surfing, fishing, boating, and many other outdoor and indoor activities. What we like. For anyone who wants to capture memories or stay connected without worrying about water damage, this is essential. It offers top-tier protection against water, sand, and dust, allowing you to use your phone's camera and touch screen even underwater. If you're heading to the beach, pool, or any water activity, this provides peace of mind. What people say. The fabric is lightweight and dries quickly, perfect for the beach. The fit is true to size and very comfortable for all-day wear. Multiple pockets provide ample storage for essentials like keys and phone. Number 1. Zone Naturals Chub Rub Stick. Tired of uncomfortable chafing and irritation? Zone Naturals offers a natural solution to keep you comfortable all day long. Our unique formula is crafted with 100% natural ingredients. It's gentle on your skin while providing powerful protection against friction. Experience superior friction defense with this easy-to-use stick. It creates a smooth barrier to prevent rubbing and discomfort. Effectively reduces rubbing and irritation caused by skin-on-skin friction. Enjoy your activities without worry. This 1.5-ounce stick is perfectly sized for on-the-go application. Keep it in your bag for instant relief whenever you need it. Choose Zone Naturals for a comfortable and natural way to combat chafing. Feel the difference with every use. What we like. If you experience discomfort from chafing during long walks on the beach or active beach sports, this is your solution. Its natural formula provides a smooth barrier against friction, keeping your skin comfortable all day. Choose this if you need reliable, all-natural protection against irritation in humid conditions. What people say. The fabric is lightweight and dries quickly, perfect for the beach. The fit is true to size and very comfortable for all-day wear. Multiple pockets are a great feature for carrying essentials like keys and phone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.